Hello, my name's James Whitworth and you're watching TechBaffle. Today we're going to get rid of ads in Outlook. You pay for your Microsoft 365 subscription, yet you're still getting ads in Outlook.
TechBaffle. Discover cool stuff.
Let's go ahead and go to this settings cog and we'll have our list of email accounts here. So obviously it'll be blurred for the video. So instead of adding another email account, what we need to do is add a subscription. So instead what we're going to do is type in the email we need for our Microsoft 365 account. So this will be whatever you've got set up. It doesn't have to be an email that you use in Outlook. It can be completely separate. So I'm just going to type that email in. Click continue, and there we go. Go back to our email, and as you can see, we've got absolutely no ads on any of our accounts. Thank goodness for that. So if you enjoyed that video, smash that like button. If you want any more of this sort of thing, don't forget to subscribe and ding so you don't miss a thing. I'm on Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok and Threads. Follow me at TechBaffle. For the latest, head over to techbaffle.com. Thanks for watching and have a baffling day.
Discover cool stuff. TechBaffle. Discover cool stuff.